It has changed the concept of sports in India. People who have seen it, they are going to cry like mad. But for him to greenlight this film must have taken 2.5, 3 years back. Who started this thing that we should make this film? They're also getting shocked, surprised. We are getting shocked and surprised. Already press has taken up big time, and she's also fantastic to take that part. Hi, this is Sajid Nadyadwala, and you are watching Bollywood Hangama.
Another film 83 बहुत ही rarely ऐसा होता है कि that film के announce होने के बाद ही you know it that it's going to be like a red hot project. I think बहुत सी फिल्में होती हैं, बनना शुरू होती हैं, gradually करके जाके फिर वो गर्म होती हैं, जो भी होता है. This was red hot right from the beginning. Kabir is helming it in a different zone altogether. They've shot at a stretch 3 months in UK recently, and Ranveer is super excited. The moment that poster came out of Ranveer in Kapil Dev's look, everyone was like gasping that this is incredible. Tell us something about 83. How special a film is this in your career?
We were in college that time. So 83 has played all that people who were there. It has changed the concept of sports in India. So we were always part of it, and we remember how we had danced and cheered and heard on a radio. Zimbabwe match we could hear and lost, and those 175 up. There was a great feeling, and then we realized that there is then the BCCI, and then the big thing, then the World Cup, and every cricketer was honoured, and then it became bigger and bigger. So somewhere we had forgotten 83. We should know about it, and whenever the topic used to come, everybody used to hold their head high. But somewhere it was there. I don't know how this came. I came in very later into actually I was greedy to be part of it, this film. When somebody dug it out from there and said we are making 83, then suddenly people realized that was the biggest story to be told. And Kabir, the best thing about Kabir is his hard work. The way he works meticulously on, this needed somebody like him, because the way they are shooting it, the way it's a very tiresome film. There's
Must
just
be.
2.5 months there. I was there. I remember how they were shooting in one of the stadium during the World Cup, where the temperature was 40 and they had to behave like 83 with those cardigans on and bowling and continuously, and all those are not cricketers. They are good players. What they have, the hard work they are putting in, I hope and I pray to Allah that this is a big, huge hit film. People who have seen it, they are going to cry like mad. Those who have seen 83. People who have not seen it, they'll start giving standing ovation to this team, that how cricket changed the concept of the world looking at us.
Even as a nation, I think the entire aura changed.
Yeah,
The way
and it's shown in the film what it is, how India transformed in that point from Zimbabwe's 175
Kapil
to
Dev.
the point where the people run in when Kapil Dev caught that catch.
Vivian Richards.
Yes. Between them match and this match, what happened to India? I don't want to say anything further on that film, but you will be shocked because it's just not about cricket, 83. 83 is how it's also about the nation.
There's so many people who are desperately waiting for the film to just watch Kapil Dev's 175 against Zimbabwe, because it was not
televised.
Because it was a strike on that day, and that will be like, I think, one hell of...
There's two things.
watch.
One, I feel two things
watch
people
that.
will be surprised to see is that 175 and what happened to the nation when India was playing. That's a big thing. How it got united. It's a beautifully written script, and besides that, it's a most difficult film to execute. The authenticity of shooting a cricket match is very different from making a film. A trolley, a close-ups, a crane, and to create that drama, hats off to the production team, hats off to Kabir, hats off to the actor without whose help these kind of films can't be made.
Ranveer obviously he's playing Kabir Singh and Kapil Dev, and he's on the top of the game right now. He's not only a phenomenal actor, he's one of the superstars.
Yeah, and for him to greenlight this film, think about this, because this is started about 6 months back, 8 months back. But for him to greenlight this film must have taken 2.5, 3 years back. So 2.5, 3 years back to say that he wants to do Kapil Dev. It's a big thing for the people behind the producers, Madhu Mantina, there's Kabir, there's Reliance. These were people who were originally into it, who started this thing that we should make this film. I feel that Indian cinema is changing, and fortunately I am seeing all decade, and I will see 4-5 decades more.
Definitely, inshallah, 100%.
80s में देखा how we used to make films. I started in 80s, 90s, 2000s, now 2018 has come. So great, physically we are getting fitter and fitter, and trying to give better cinema to the audience, and they're also getting shocked, surprised. We are getting shocked and surprised. It's not that we are aware. As if audience is surprised with Super 30, we are also surprised. If audience is surprised with Chichore coming out of our banner, even we are surprised. It's also, while we are telling them the story, we are also learning at the same time. It's not that we knew all and we told you all. We are learning and we are telling them. There is a smile on their face, there's a shock value on their face, there's a smile on our face, there's a shock value on our face also.
Talking about 83 once again, so it's also the film that will witness Ranveer and Deepika for the first time after their marriage. Yes. So I think that's another talking point which will be there.
That's already press has taken her big time, and she's also fantastic to take that part. I've already we worked with her and remember how she used to work in Houseful. Houseful 2?
Houseful 2 as well, yeah.
Tamasha though she did, but for her to do a series like Houseful. Houseful fortunately has always had the top heroines. That has made it also a different franchise. Usually when you have 4 heroines, you never have big heroines. So whether it was Asin, whether it is Jacqueline, whether it is Deepika, whether it was Lara, we've always been lucky. Now it's been Kriti, Pooja. We've been lucky with all the
actresses in Houseful.
Hi, this is Sajid Nadyadwala and you are watching Bollywood Hangama.